How to fix Discord update fail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix Discord update fail. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First of all, what you'll need to do is open up your task manager. So search for your task manager and open that up. After you open up your task manager, here you will need to search for Discord. Now, if you see Discord running here, you can simply select that, or if you see Discord update, you can select that as well. Now, I don't have Discord running, but if you have it running, all you have to do is select that very task and then tap on End Task right here. And after you've ended the task, try to run your update again and check if it's fixed. If it's not fixed, there is another method. For that, you will need to open up your run. So press Windows plus R key and your run should open up. Now inside run, you will need to type in percentage local app data and give another percentage to finish it off. Then hit enter. After you hit enter, here you should find a lot of different folders. Here you can locate the Discord folder. Then open it up. Inside there, you'll find the update.exe. You'll find an application file called update. Simply rename it. You can rename it to update space repair. Then hit enter. Then after that, your Discord should be updating. You can try to restart your device after this and then try to update your Discord. And then your problem will get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.